This is electronic shop. If you want to something buy, if you want to buy something, so you just put here number and put here money. So everything you want, you can buy here automatically. No shopkeeper, no anyone. Just you can give the money and select the things. Here is everything. Number like this is chocolate number 30, so you just put here number 30 and put 3 riyal here in Saudi, so you can take automatically. If you want to coffee, so you can also push these buttons to like coffee and tea, every kinds. These are the types of coffees and cappuccino and black coffee and black coffee with sugar, black coffee whitener, sugar, chai cardamom, tea bag, white sugar, and this is tea bag, green tea bag, mint with sugar, and green tea bag, mint. So you can withdraw from here and put money here, and these are the numbers you can enter, and these are the instructions for this usage. So this is the latest technology which is used here in King Abdulaziz University. Very beautiful, good. Every food stuff like cold drink, juices, chocolates, chips, potatoes, and cake. All these are food stuffs.